Gayloo Season 5 Final. Episode 1. Gayloo and the Tornado. Me going to watch the Goofy on Ninja Chickens.
Dire do that is. Napa.
Whoa! What the poop happened to my Goofy on Ninja Chickens? Washington. Breaking news. National Weather Services issue a tornado warning for Plotagon City for 9:40 p.m. to 10 p.m. Now to you, John.
Thank you, Mr. Newsman. As you can see, it's really foggy out, and the tornado is coming to our city, so everyone hide in a basement and cover yourselves with pillows. Oh shit, the tornado is coming near me. Hey.
Gayloo, we need to go to the basement now cause the tomato, get radios, DARS, and classic Gayloo.
Washington.
Let's go.
Okay.
Guys, I just remembered, we don't have basement, so we're so faking dead.
Oh no, what we do now?
Let's go tornado catching.
Diddity daddy, that's so bad, you idiot.
Don't care, let's catch the tornado.
Fuck you.
Where's that faking tornado?
Barries, I don't want to die in tornado. Wah.
Dad, get me out of here.
Shut up, Peach. We found the tornado.
Oh no. Dad, don't Washington.
Oh no, that tornado is going to eat us new.
Yeah, idiot, I'm going to eat you now. Lol.
No. The tornado is going to eat us.
Group of A's.
Num, mommy, I eat you. Hey. Oh no. We stuck in tornadoes. Washington.
This is your gold.
Ooh, group of O's. Barries, how dare you took us to the tornado. That's at your Grens and Grenadine Greenwood for group of 9s, 272722816.
Washington with Saturday.
The end. I'm naked.